Welcome to Suvi Education. Today we will discuss part 2 and part 3 of the lesson The Tsunami of your book Honeydew of class 8. T. Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Kate Beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Her parents did not allow their daughter to give interview and come into limelight. Why do you think they took that decision? Beach means sea coast. The Now here's a story from the Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. They are celebrating Christmas in beach resort in southern Thailand. Resort means a place where people go on holiday. Tilly Smith was 10 years old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. On 26 December 2004, deadly, very heavy, and high rise tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered. That means tsunami waves were triggered by a massive, powerful earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. Swelling means rising up. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. I did not know what was happening. They are unable to guess what is going to happen as the water is rising up and the beach is going to be smaller and smaller. Triggered means caused or started. Describe a sudden violent reaction. Here, an undersea earthquake caused the tsunami. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. So, before coming to Thailand, she might have already observed a lesson, that is a geography lesson, and seen a video also that may be on tsunami. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam, bubble, and form whirlpools. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami. So in that geography lesson, so this video she might have already seen. And tsunami that hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. So video maybe in 1946 she might have seen how the water is rising up, and at the time of a rise up they start to foaming, bubble, and form a whirlpools. Her geography teacher had shown her class this video. That means this video was shown by the geography teacher and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. So, either of any of these tsunami caused may start it. Tilly started to scream at her family. Scream is crying. So Tilly started crying at her family to get off the beach. And why? Because the water rising up, so that she is crying and go out from beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. Got more and more hysterical. Hysterical means when you are hysterical, shout, laugh, or cry in wild, excited way without any control over yourself. Or generally, we can say when someone became a mad. Said her mother, Penny. I did not know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, afraid, I thought something serious must be going. That is something going to be serious. These parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. So they had returned back to the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run. So they have seen that a lot of water is coming out from the sea, and she was crying, run, run. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. So from there they run and reach in the third floor of that hotel. The building withstood the surge of three tsunami waves. So before that also some three tsunami might have come. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson. They had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmate a terrifying tale. So after that, when Tilly reached back in England, so she had discussed regarding the same story with their friend. Now there is a comprehension check. Before that, see that refuse. Refuse means took shelter or protection from danger withstood. Or withstood means endured without collapsing. I will take some comprehension check questions here. First question: why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Okay, you know also Tilly's family had come to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. Second question: what were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? What are the warning signs? Both saw the sea rising and start to foam and fall whirlpools and bubbles. Third question: do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? No, Tilly's mother was not alarmed by them. Fourth question: where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Tilly had seen the strange sea behavior in a video of geography class. Where did the Smith family and others on the beach go to escape from tsunami? They went to third floor of the hotel and were saved. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket, he felt very pleased and satisfied. Okay, in the part 3, look carefully at the picture. So this is a picture of the boy and his dog. See that a boy is sitting here and here is a dog. And try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. This is how you can start. You can start regarding this story that calm blue sea, very calm, and see the blue sea, blue sea. Okay, here is the blue sea here. Ruined huts, all broken huts, and you can start further here only. Now, when do you think this picture was taken? Did you know that very few animals actually died in the tsunami? Before the giant waves slammed means hit, or ruined means collapsed into the coast. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. That means all when the giant waves hit the coast of India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. So they fled to safe places. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed. Scream is loud sound. Made a loud, high-pitched sound and ran for higher ground. Dog refused to go to outdoor. Dog also refused to go outside. Flamingos abandoned means left their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. Enticed means persuaded. So in that time, they might have sensed something, so that dogs were not able to go outside. They refused to go outside. Also, other animals also they are also not coming out of from their shelters. Many people believe that animal possesses sixth sense. Some of the people may be thinking that animal might have sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals more acute. Acute means strong. Hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. So they feel trembling, shaking, vibration. That's why they are not able to come out or they are not leaving their shelters. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. So before that only they can realize what is going to be happened. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant means heavy waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 1,50,000 people in dozen countries. So in dozen of countries, 1,50,000 people have died. But not many animals have been reported dead. So very less animal might have died. Along India's Cuddler coast, where thousands of people perished, means destroyed. Buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. So, where thousands of people perished, whereas buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. The Yali National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals. In Sri Lanka, the Yali National Park, there is a variety of animals like elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patnangala beach inside the park. So inside there is a beach. This is Patnangala beach. Here 60 visitors or tourists were washed away. But no animal carcass. Carcasses means dead. So when no animals dead or died were found except for two water buffaloes. Only two water buffaloes they have found. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Patnangla beach. So three animals were running away from the Patnangla beach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gale said his two dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. So these two dogs might have not gone that on beach side. So they have sensed something maybe happen. They are usually excited to go on this outing. Earlier they were very excited to go outside, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved. Probably means perhaps. So they might have saved. Now there are some comprehension check questions. We'll take one first. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Very few. Very few animals died. Second question. How many people and animals died in Yellow National Park? 60 visitors and 2 animals reported died in Yellow National Park. Third question. What do people say about the elephant of Yellow National Park? People say that the elephant ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. Fourth question. What did the dogs in Gale do? The dog in Gale refused to go to the beach for their exercise. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, press the bell icon and subscribe to Savi Education for more educational videos.